Hello. So this week is a makeup week, but I thought that we could still have this wonderful opportunity to be able to do shout outs for each other. I've heard from some students that maybe they're feeling a little bit disconnected from their friends. Even though we have the opportunities to get on Zooms, not everybody feels comfortable doing that. And that might be because they haven't heard from you in a while, or because they don't feel comfortable sharing their screens. One, you don't even see my screen right now. You see my computer screen, and that's always an okay thing to do. But two, let's make certain that our friends know that we are still there. So we're going to do some shout outs. To do a shout out, we're going to use Jamboard. For those of you that have never used Jamboard before, you can see it in the waffle. If you go to Google, your waffle's right here, and then you just scroll down and there's Jamboard, but this assignment will be in Google Classroom. And here's the Jamboard link that will take you back. You will need actually 2 different assignments to be able to get through all of 5B because we just have so many of us. Now, as I said, I'm doing this with my name to start. Now, this is what I prefer to use, is the sticky note because it's nice and easy. This is an image, as you recognize from other things. This is a laser. If I click this, it doesn't do a whole lot because it just disappears, but it's fun to play with for a little bit. This is a select tool. If I had something that I was trying to maybe snipe, it might actually work, or if I was trying to click on something that needed to be. You can see this is a post-it, but since it's already been placed there, I'm not going to mess with it. I'm going to leave it alone because that's showing respect for other people. This is an eraser tool. I didn't put anything on. There's nothing to erase, and erasing this wouldn't be kind and considerate, so I know that's not what I'm doing. This says pen, but if I click over the tiny little teeny-bitty arrow there, it will let me pick up other things. There's the paintbrush, but it comes out super gray and fuzzy and not super awesome. So I do not suggest that one. I personally like the marker. I think it just gives a nice color. So I'm going to switch to the marker. You have the choice of a highlighter or a pen. And I like the blue one right now, so I'm ready. What you can do is you can write with it with your mouse, but we all know how writing with your mouse goes, so we're going to try to draw a flower. Hey, that wasn't too bad. So I drew a flower with the mouse. I can also do a sticky note, and I think I'm going to go for the mustard yellow is fine. And I'm going to say that Miss Hutchinson always is helping me when I am uncertain. And so I'm going to save that. And it puts up the sticky note. You can see that it goes behind the drawings. So that's always good to know. Feeling a little color, unless you move it, of course, which is why we're being very considerate of other people's. But I want to tilt it a little bit, feeling a little feng shui there. And I want it close to the name. And then someone else, they're going to go, pink is my favorite color. And I'm going to say Miss Hutchinson has a quirky sense of humor. And we're going to put that in. And we're going to put it over there. And I'm feeling mine needs to be a little bigger, so I'm going to resize it. But again, I'm not going to block the name, and I'm not going to block anybody else's, and I'm not going to erase. And I do have a stylus, so I'm going to show you. Change it to color. Let's make it green like a grass. And let's make some grass here. I'm going to say no to that because that was not what I thought it would be. There we go. And so there's an image. You can see we added a little flair to this, made it kind of interesting, and you will be able to go through for each of your classmates. Please look for something positive. Are they thoughtful? Are they considerate? Are they kind? Do they have a good smile? Are they always helpful? Thinking of other people? Do they share? Do they laugh at my jokes? Things like that. Find a way to share with them. And we will be certain to share these with those students. Thank you so much for doing these shout outs. I know that this will really brighten their day. Hope to see you on Friday. Game day! Woot! Talk to you later.